What's good, Daily Squad? It's your guy, Westside Daily West, back with another reaction. Today we have Robot Chicken funniest moments of cartoons. So without too much talking, let's get right to the video. Let's get it! I'm gonna eat on my Doritos.
Everyone rest up. In the morning we start the long trip home to confront Hopper and his evil gang. Excuse me, Mr. Mayfly, can you keep it down? We have a really big day tomorrow.
Oh, really? Well, my entire lifespan is 3 hours, so your big day.
Oh, man, at last! I've already been alive for half hour, and I need to get pregnant, like, now!
Oh, yeah!
What?
Oh my God, this is the best sex of my whole life! Get it out of me!
Look, I'm...
Did they say main span was 3 hours? That was funny. That's fast.
at least 47 good minutes left in me, and I'll be damned if I'm gonna waste them.
You're a midlife cliche.
Oh, what was the point of it all? Live, reproduce, die? It's a sick joke. A sick... Oh.
Oh!
Them niggas crawled.
Oh, finally.
Autumn finna hatch.
Woo!
I know
What
it.
a time! Oh, me.
Wait a minute! Luigi! All of these are gold coins! They're everywhere!
Why are we wasting our lives in the sewers? Our new lives are starting now!
No, them niggas got money.
Mario,
Where's
your
the
new
bill?
place is awesome! Oh, sorry, bro. Hey, not to worry. There's a plenty of more where that came from.
Me and the Mario, we get used to the finer things. Now, how about do you show me how to use that hunker of yours?
I don't know.
Oh, ding 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 ding. Now I'm sleepy.
Hey, you guys used to come by on a pretty regular basis, but I haven't seen you in a while.
We take the lady. How about you order yourself a nice mail order bride? Hold on. Now scram, capiche?
My neck's so long.
You were a marvel.
Wait. Why do I not remember this? I remember Robot Chicken when I was a kid, but why do I not remember these
Mamma
sketches?
mia.
Mario, the mortgage. She's a dude.
Everybody wants a piece of the Mario. Oh.
Mario!
Mario! You son of a bitch!
Mario!
You finna go crazy.
It's over.
Hey, any chance you want to kidnap me and put me up in your castle?
No way, Princess. I'm spoken for now.
And that's why Daddy and Uncle Luigi are plumbers and we live here, instead of a big fancy house.
Shut up in your face!
Mother, Father,
Shut up your
this is my
face.
boyfriend Mario.
Time to finally meet your acquaintance, Mario.
Ooh.
Did a pig shit out a dead fetus in here?
Oh, I beg you forgiveness. I come here through the sewer line.
Mario's a plumber,
So he commutes through human waste.
and he's Italian.
Okay, say no more.
Did you lose something, Mario?
Hey, I found one.
Yes, in our sofa.
And there it goes.
That nigga stole that hoe.
So I says, hey, paisan, toilet paper and paper towels, they ain't the same thing.
Another clogged toilet story. What a delightful compliment to our mushroom soup.
Mushrooms, ay, 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 that's you.
Remind me to bring mushrooms on our honeymoon.
I am so sorry.
I just think it's so funny when they made fun of, like, I mean, we wouldn't even technically consider Mario a children's game, only because when Mario came out, of course, our parents played it. But I think that's so funny. Mushroom. Should I bring mushrooms on? And he would break Peach. He would break the fuck out of Peach.
I have a few allergies. Mamma mia, flowers! That's you!
Flame.
That's you!
Thank you! Oh, my drapes! My meat drapes!
Both equally dusty.
Ay, ay, ay! You know when we were...
Oh, fucking ass.
Create your future as an animator. Immerse yourself in visual effects, character animation, and environment.
I ain't gonna lie to y'all guys.
We're kids. There
Cool Ranch. He pretty
only
good.
150 Pokemon.
Actually, there were 151 Pokemon from the start.
Nerd!
Oh, that's how he wanted to go.
You're pretty good, Misty.
Better than you, Ash. Oh, darn. Ash, why have we been playing tennis with a Pokeball?
Pikachu pissed on my rug.
Oh.
Damn right.
Pikachu! Jigglypuff! Choo-choo! Pikachu!
Back into your Pokeball, Pikachu.
Wait.
I wonder what
Pikachu
it's
was never
like
in the
inside those
Pokeball.
Pokeballs.
I wonder when you'll shut up and make my dinner.
Did y'all hear that? Did y'all hear that?
It's like inside those Pokeballs.
I wonder when you'll shut up and make my dinner.
Those little pokey titties.
Are you ready to battle, ass?
My name is
Ash.
Ash. Pikachu, I choose you. Pikachu, I choose you.
My nigga.
Go get him, Pikachu.
Pikachu.
Where's that new driver you hired?
Fucking dog.
Who the hell are you?
I'm the best.
Let's go.
There's 4 of you.
Who cares? Now drive.
The deal was transportation for 3 men whose combined weight did not exceed 250 kilos.
Well, this is a new deal. Now drive.
One of you has to go.
Are you nuts? They're almost here.
That's better. Here we go.
Come on, man, they're gaining on us.
I always come prepared.
What, are you kidding me? Banana peels. Whoa, actually, they are surprisingly effective. Look out. Are those green turtles? Whatever they are, they're getting shot.
No! Green turtles are in danger!
You're not gonna try to smash through that, are you?
I already told you. I'm the best. Yahoo!
That was fucking such on Mario Party.
Don't worry, they won't follow us out here.
I thought you said they wouldn't follow us.
Once we're across that bridge, we're home free.
He's gaining on us. Do something.
Fuck the Bear Squad. It's all about the Deli Squad. Deli Squad?
We're almost there.
He's gonna catch us. Use one of the things.
No, not that one. The blue turtle shell always seeks out the lead car.
Garfield, we have some bad news.
Oh, someone got a case of the Mondays.
You have type 2 diabetes.
Oh, Garfield, your love of lasagna was your undoing.
Actually, his astoundingly irresponsible owner was his undoing.
Oh, Garfield plays by his own rules, Liz.
We need to remove all 4 feet.
What? Hands too?
You don't have hands, Garfield. You're not people. You're a pet with no job or
technically.
income who somehow managed to consume enormous quantities of Italian cuisine year after year.
How much is this going to cost?
Oh, about $2,200.
No.
John.
You did this to him.
That's like a used car, man. You can't drop that kind of cash into a 13-year-old cat. No. Negatory, good buddy. Not giving you no.
Wow.
What's it gonna be, Garfield 2? Dry food or spaghetti and meatballs? Excellent. I knew you'd make the right choice.
That is fucked up. And you fucking
Live
ads
TV
can
from
kiss
85
my
plus
ass.
channels with local sports and news. YouTube TV. Try it free.
This is crazy.
Grammarly
Bitch ass
does
back to
more
back.
than
This
catch
shit's so
error.
disrespectful, especially because I'm not
With
monetized.
Grammarly, you can find really good,
We almost there,
no,
guys.
perfect words
Almost there.
that make your right.
Wait for it. Oh. Damn, I should have
Patties
said
are made out of crab!
Everyone knows Krabby Patties are me family's secret recipe, boy.
Then explain this! You said you fired Carl, the night janitor, but this is his tattoo!
You little yellow bastard. I treated you like a son, me boy.
And it's not just
Son, me
crabs.
boy.
Squidward, those calamari rings are squid! And your chicken of the sea salad? Ha! Tuna! Chicken of the sea is tuna!
You fed ass to us.
Gonna pay you to kill us?
You're disgusting!
No, I'm the last honest man in Bikini Bottom. We're all animals, boys and girls. Eating each other is what nature intended.
I'm just glad nothing disgusting happens to a sponge.
Okay, just gotta scrub deep within your rolls of fat, and we're done.
I said nothing disgusting ever happens to a sponge.
I hope that's pudding in there.
That sound was fucking disgusting. Oh, that sound was nasty.
Okay, guys, Andy's almost home from college for spring break.
How would they celebrate a spring
I think I remember
break?
this.
And that's the saddest time for me.
Oh, Slink.
Silly canine.
What a freaking Jake.
Andy's here. All right,
I think I
ladies.
remember this.
Single
I think he's like
file
an adult
button
now or some
center,
shit.
Commander-in-Chief on the premises.
You mean Obama?
He's not my president.
I knew it.
Tell my story! Etch, what's going on up there?
You gotta help that girl, Sarge.
Oh, gosh, she won't stop screaming. What does my f***ing box try even mean? This is awesome. Damn it, I left my favorite toy back at the dorm. His favorite toy? Time to improvise. What's he doing with Buzz?
Oh, God.
Yes, and ready for a test drive. He didn't. Not Buzz.
Wait, it's a mom.
To infinity and beyond.
Was toasted.
Domino, motherfucker. Buzz? You okay?
Hello, Woody. Do you know what my daddy did? Poop. He pooped. Poop-a-doop-doop-poop. Up down by left, I'm pooping these pants.
It's okay, pal. We're here for you.
And the farmer...
Why is he on hard? Why does he have a boner? What?
By load. By load.
Good night, sweet prince.
We're gonna play tomorrow?
You bet, pal. You bet.
He's gonna kill him.
Oh, infinity.
I think I remember this. I think I remember this one. I remember this skit.
And beyond.
The Channel 6 News Masquerade Ball is the perfect
Said Shredder.
opportunity for me to kidnap April O'Neil. She's the perfect bait to catch the turtles. Wow, out of that bulky lesbian jumpsuit, she's hot as shit.
Care to dance, Mr. Potter?
What? And what's your costume?
Belle from Beauty and the Beast, but a dick slut.
Is your favorite
slut?
restaurant Taco Bell?
You are hilarious.
On the count of 3, say your favorite band. 1, 2, 3. Toad the Wet Sprocket.
Wait, are you
In love? Yes. What? Bye.
Shredder?
Think of something poetic, Oroku. But soft. You are total boner food.
Oh, Shredder, my heart doesn't take sides.
People won't approve.
No one can keep us apart.
Oh, hell to the no!
We're soulmates. We both
He's
love
like
Toad the
lesbian
Wet
ass
Sprocket.
jumpsuit.
Toad the what? Is that a sex thing?
Have you guys had sex? No, just dry humping and ball play.
Ball play?
Why give him the wall?
April. He is dangerous. Sleep here tonight. Donatello, grab the guest pillows.
What the
What
fuck?
are you doing here?
I came to say
Trap.
hi and also have sex after the whole hi thing.
It's like Six Flags Hurricane Harbor in my panties right now. You really toted my wet sprocket. When will I see you again?
Soon, I hope. I should go before the turtles wake up. Plus, I have some major extends farts coming on.
April, just go on one date with Casey. He's a good guy.
Casey is a jobless loser in sweats.
Good start to my morning.
So I left. What should I do, Mr. Rat King? I belong with Shredder.
I have an idea! And my idea involves you taking a lot of poison very quickly.
Go on.
It can't be. April!
Fucking
No!
Romeo and Juliet.
Why?
What the fuck? Shredder!
April, you're alive!
The poison only made me appear dead. Didn't you read Romeo and Juliet, you ass clown?
I mean, it's not funny that she died. It's not funny that she died by no means.
Just gonna take my Toad the Wet Sprocket bootleg back.
Oh man, what the fuck? That's gonna be it for this video. I see y'all in the next one. Deli Squad.